Have you ever wondered how to craft the perfect bouquet? The art of arranging flowers can be a delightful way to express creativity, not to mention a thoughtful gift that brightens someone's day. Today we'll explore the process of creating a beautiful bouquet, step by step. Picture this: a selection of vibrant flowers, their petals soft and fragrant. The first step in crafting a bouquet is to choose your flowers. Roses, lilies, tulips, or daisies, the choice is yours. What's important is to select flowers that complement each other in both color and size. Next, consider the arrangement. A bouquet is not just a random collection of flowers, but a carefully planned composition. Try to visualize the final product. What shape do you want it to have? Do you want it to be symmetrical or asymmetrical? Think about these questions as you arrange your flowers. Now, it's time to prepare the flowers. Trim the stems at an angle, which allows the flowers to absorb more water and stay fresh longer. Remove any leaves that will be below the water line in the vase to prevent decay and keep the water clean. Once your flowers are prepared, start arranging them in your hand. Begin with the larger flowers as your base and then add the smaller ones around them. Remember to rotate the bouquet as you add each flower to ensure it looks good from all angles. When you're satisfied with your arrangement, secure the bouquet with a floral tape or a rubber band. Cut the stems to the same length, and there you have it, a bouquet that's as beautiful as it is unique. To summarize, crafting the perfect bouquet involves selecting complementary flowers, visualizing your arrangement, preparing the flowers properly, carefully arranging them in your hand, and securing the bouquet. With these steps, you can create a bouquet that's not only visually stunning, but also a reflection of your personal style and creativity. So why not give it a try? Unleash your creativity and brighten someone's day with a handcrafted bouquet.